Now there is a search box on YouTube that you can punch in something on your channel to see if you have how to fix a high heel on blah 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 type of shoe, and maybe you have it or something like that, so viewers can still do stuff like that. But playlists are the way to go.
I do like the playlists. I don't know if people are familiar with how they work because they're quite handy. I mean, it's like having your own TV guide to your own station, right? Is that how they kind of describe it?
Well, kind of. I mean, you can have 15, you can have as many videos as you want, and on one particular topic, then you just title that, and then somebody can find that easily on your playlist. And you might have 15 to 30 different videos, something on the line of whatever you're talking about. You know, so me, for sheetrock work, I might have 80 different videos. And so I can say all about sheetrock and be on a playlist. Or I can say how to patch a hole in the wall and have 5 or 6 on that. Or how to install webbing tape and have 5 or 6 on that.
Right, because it's not always the same for every project.
So yours are going to be all about shoes.
Well, I have a playlist for Video Joe. So it's just us.
That's right. That's very cool. That's very cool.
And then I have another one just for my shoe show, like my how-to. And then I have one for the Jen Russo and I vlog that we do. It's called Maui Artisans, where we drink wine, eat poo-poos, and we critique wine. Let's put it that way. Eat
poo-poo?
Poo-poos are appetizers in Hawaiian. So we critique food and wine, and we make things. We sew. I make my aprons, and that's also debuting on the 29th. That's part of this big fashion magazine that's coming out.
That's very cool. So that's something you're going to add to your website. So your website doesn't have to be just about one thing.
No,
it's about all kinds of things of in your life.
Yeah.
And all that stuff you can share with other people, and maybe you can make some extra money with that. Yeah. See, that's what the AdSense stuff is going to be about on all of your web pages, see?
Well, I'm going to Google because I want to know about the AdSense. I like knowing how these things work.
Yeah. Well, it's on YouTube, and they say once you have one account, you can add it to others. Even if you had, you know what, you could have more than one YouTube account if you wanted.
Right. But
and then you can put your AdSense on your 2 different YouTube sites. But, you know, I haven't done anything like that. I'm just on a website. I'm just going to make sure that everything's attached onto the website. Yes, you were going to say something?
Well, I know the title of this video.
What?
How to trick a girl into painting the wall herself.
Oh, you finally figured that out. You're doing very well, by the way. I mean, look, wow.
I'm out of paint, so I got to put some more paint on.
Okay. And this is just the first coat, so yes, I better get in there and get busy with you, right? Okay. Out to lunch, I wish.
Well, that's all for now, but we'll be back with more videos.
Perfect!
Okay.
Good job! You should make some of your own videos.